Sault Ste. Marie is packed with fun, hands-on ways for kids to explore, learn, and make memories, and the best part, most of it's right by the water. Here are 10 fresh ideas for your next family trip to Michigan's oldest city. Number 1. The Soo Locks Boat Tour is one of the best ways to experience the river up close. You ride alongside freighters the size of skyscrapers, float through the lock system, and get a front row seat to one of the coolest pieces of engineering in the Great Lakes. It's fun, it's fascinating, and it gives the kids a whole new appreciation for how these massive ships move between the lakes. Number 2. Climbing aboard the Museum Ship Valley Camp feels like stepping into a time capsule. The kids can explore the huge deck, peek into old crew cabins, and even check out the lifeboat recovered from the Edmund Fitzgerald, the real one. There's also an aquarium inside, and the engine room is just wild to walk through.
I mean, watching a freighter from a freighter is pretty awesome.
Number 3. The kids' fishing pond is simple, but that's what makes it great. You don't need much gear, and the fish are ready to bite.
Have a good rest of your life.
Number 4, the Tower of History. Bring the whole family to the top of the tallest building in the Soo for a spectacular view. It's 210 feet up, and from the top, you can see the Soo Locks, the bridge to Canada, and the river cutting through town. And the views are a perfect way to get your bearings when you first arrive.
Oh, look how cool that is. Look, it's right there, it's right there, it's right there. Look at that tiny pool.
Number 5, sweet treats on Portage Avenue. There's something for everyone along Portage Avenue, whether it's ice cream, fresh fudge, or a solid cup of coffee. Everyone in the family finds their treat, and the walk between stops is half the fun. Number 6, Rotary Park is one of the best spots to watch freighters go by. You're close to the water, there's space to spread out, and the scale of the ships is incredible. Just don't forget to stop by Clyde's for a burger and fries afterwards. It's right across the lot. Number 7, Sherman Park feels like the Soo's secret beach. It's got a nice stretch of sand, a playground, and tons of room to play. The water's calm, the vibe is easygoing, and it's a perfect spot for a slow, sunny day. Number 8, the Center for Freshwater Research and Education, or as most people call it the Seafree Building, is right on the St. Mary's River and part of LSSU. The Seafree Center is a hidden gem. The exhibits are all about Great Lakes science. There's a tank with 2 live sturgeon, and the whole building is built to let kids explore with their hands and their curiosity. It's science and fun. Number 9, downtown has plenty of walkable spots to eat, and you're never far from the Soo Locks. That means you can grab a quick bite between the freighters or sit down and recharge after a few hours of exploring. There's something for every kind of foodie. Number 10, take a drive to Tahquamenon Falls. If you've got a little extra time, the drive to Tahquamenon Falls is totally worth it. The trails are easy for kids, and that first look at the Upper Falls, one of the largest waterfalls east of the Mississippi, is something they'll never forget. And between the views and the adventure, it's a perfect way to end the trip with something epic. From towering ships to sugar-fueled strolls, Sault Ste. Marie delivers that perfect mix of hands-on fun and small-town magic.
After salute.